Scootaround, North America's leading mobility equipment rental company, has teamed up with the experts at PCL to set a new industry standard for sanitation technology. We've equipped our delivery trucks with the latest Far-UV emitting lights, allowing us to effectively eliminate surface and airborne pathogens from our rental fleet, all without the use of harsh chemicals. The Far-UV technology sanitizes our rental equipment in a matter of seconds while it's en route to the customer. This ensures our products are safely disinfected before they reach you. Wherever you're traveling, you can trust Scootaround and PCL to provide you with mobility equipment rentals that are safe, sanitized, and dependable. Visit Scootaround.com for more information.